What if you could own an SUV that combines the luxury of a Lexus with the unbreakable reliability of a Toyota, all wrapped in a design that looks like it's from the future? This isn't a fantasy, it's the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Legender. Hello and welcome to AutoSpherX, your home for the most in-depth looks at the vehicles shaping our world. And today, we're beginning a deep dive into a machine that's a global superstar, yet remains a mystery on American shores. The 2026 Fortuner Legender isn't just a refresh, it's a complete reimagining. It's built on Toyota's new IMV-2 platform, which uses more high-strength steel and aluminum. This makes the chassis significantly stiffer, directly improving how it handles on the road, reducing noise inside the cabin, and making it safer in a collision. You can think of this new foundation as the bones of a champion athlete, strong, responsive, and ready for anything. Now, let's talk about its looks. The exterior design is a massive leap forward. The front is dominated by a larger, more upright grille with a distinctive dark chrome finish. Flanking it are the most advanced headlights Toyota has ever put on an SUV, multi-layer LEDs with a matrix beam system. This means you can drive with your high beams on permanently, and the system will automatically block out slices of light to avoid blinding other drivers. The front bumper is more sculpted, with larger air intakes and integrated LED fog lamps that light up the corners when you turn. From the side, the Fortuner's commanding presence is undeniable. The high beltline and a sharp new character line give it a powerful, muscular stance. The Legender trim rides exclusively on stunning 20-inch alloy wheels. But the real party trick is the powered retractable side step. It stays completely hidden while you're driving, but the moment you unlock the doors, it silently slides out to make entering this tall vehicle effortless. At the back, you'll find a more intricate full-width LED taillight signature and a new power-operated tailgate. Toyota's engineers have even managed to improve its aerodynamics, which helps with fuel efficiency and reduces wind noise on the highway. But a beautiful shell is nothing without a powerful heart. Under the hood lies an all-new 2.8-liter twin-turbo diesel engine, codenamed the F1A FTV. It uses a sequential turbo system. A small turbo provides instant power from a standstill to eliminate lag, and a larger turbo kicks in for high-speed thrust. The result is a smooth, relentless wave of power. This engine produces 228 horsepower and a ground-shaking 550 Nm of torque. That's more torque than many American V8 trucks. This brute force is managed by a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced four-wheel drive system called Multi-Terrain Select 2.0. Gone is the clunky manual lever, in its place is an elegant dial on the center console. An incredible terrain view feature uses cameras to show you a virtual 180-degree view underneath the vehicle, so you can see exactly where your wheels are pointing and spot hidden obstacles. With 230 mm of ground clearance, this SUV isn't just for show, it's built to conquer. And if you thought the exterior of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Legender was impressive, wait until you see what it's like on the inside. Today, we're exploring a cabin that completely shatters the notion of what a rugged, body-on-frame SUV can be. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is the breathtaking glass cockpit. It's a single, curved panel that seamlessly houses a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a massive 14-inch central touchscreen. This isn't just for looks, it's powered by Toyota's new T-Connect system with an NVIDIA processor, making it unbelievably fast and responsive. You get over-the-air updates, customizable screens, and deep integration for your favorite apps, all without needing your phone, though wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are, of course, included. The entire dashboard is a driver-focused, dual-cockpit design, wrapped in soft-touch materials. The center console is wide and elevated, placing the gear selector and terrain dials right at your fingertips. It's a clean, modern design that feels more like a premium German sedan than a traditional SUV. For convenience, it's packed with a 15-watt wireless charger, multiple USB-C ports, and even a 220V outlet. The steering wheel is heated and uses haptic touch controls, and all the vital information is projected clearly onto the windshield by a bright 10-inch head-up display. Now, let's talk about seating. The front seats are ventilated, perforated leather, with 10-way power adjustment for the driver. But the second row is where the Legender name truly earns its keep. Instead of a bench, you get two individual captain's chairs with their own armrests, reclining functions, and dedicated climate controls. A new rear comfort mode lets the driver sync all the rear settings from the front screen. For entertainment, there are two 11.6-inch screens mounted on the front seat backs. Even the third row gets USB-C ports, making the Fortuner a truly modern, three-row family vehicle. All of this luxury is wrapped in one of the safest packages on the road. The 2026 Fortuner comes with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. The pre-collision system now works at intersections, detecting oncoming cars or pedestrians when you're making a turn. The radar cruise control is Navi-linked, using map data to automatically slow down for curves and highway exits. A new, advanced park system can handle parallel, perpendicular, and diagonal parking for you, all at the push of a button. Passive safety is just as robust, with 10 airbags, including a new front center bag to prevent passengers from hitting each other in a side impact. The body structure is engineered to handle extreme crash tests beyond current legal requirements. It even has a safe exit assist system that prevents the doors from unlocking if a cyclist or car is approaching from behind. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner Legender is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. It proves that you don't have to choose between uncompromising luxury, cutting-edge tech, and go-anywhere capability. It's a shame it's not coming to America, because it truly has it all. For AutoSpherX, thanks for watching.